Hello guys, today I have the SONOS Era 100 and I'm going to show you all the top tricks in this device. The most important one is that here we have an app. As you can see here we have this on the screen on our device, and this application is called SONOS. We can modify actually almost everything here, create our own system, stereo pairs, create our own house using the SONOS ecosystem, etc. So this is the first and the most important thing. The second thing is that when you click this gear icon over here, you will see, by the way, where was that? Here. General settings. As you can see, here they have something called audio compression. You can manage if you want to set it to automatic or compress, so we can save the data. We can set up the AirPlay. We can, where was that? Here it was here. We can easily, but this is on the Android phone as I remember, set up the TruePlay option, and it's here, not on Android, it's here. Sound TruePlay, we can tap it and create that here. We have equalizer, volume limit, we have almost everything that is here important. And that's it. Hope you and goodbye.